take 48 megapixel photo in iPhone. First, open settings on your iPhone, scroll down a little and tap on camera. Then tap on formats. Now tap on photo mode. Make sure you have selected 24 megapixel. Go back and turn on ProRAW and resolution control toggle. Now go back and open camera app. At the top, tap on JPEG. Now select 48 megapixel. You can also set the format JPEG or RAW. I'm selecting JPEG format. Keep in mind 48 megapixel photo will be captured only in main camera in 1x zoom. Now capture the photo, then open the photo and see the photo is captured in 48 megapixel. And that's it.